Today, we are going to register Google Chat because many people face problems while creating or verifying a Google account. First, open Google and click on Add Account. After that, click on Create Account and then choose the option for my personal use. Now here you need to enter your first name and last name. After entering these details, click on Next. On the next page, select your date of birth and choose male or female or whichever option you prefer. After completing these details, click on Next again. Now Google will suggest some username options. You can choose one of them or create your own username if you want. After selecting your username, click on Next. Now you need to create a secure password for your account. Enter your password carefully and then click on Next. At this point, Google will ask for a phone number for verification. You can add a number from any country here. If you don't want to use your personal number, you can use an online number. For this example, I have selected the USA country code. To get the number, go to the TrustOTP website. The link to this website is available in the description box of this video. When you open the website, click on Get Instant OTP. Then go to the search bar and type Gmail. Once you search for Gmail, the service will appear. Here you will see that the United States country is already selected. If you want, you can change the country, but in this example, I will continue with the United States. Now click on the Get Code button. As soon as you click on Get Code, a phone number will instantly be provided. Now copy this number and check if it works for Google verification. Next, go back to Google Chat, Google account registration, and paste the number in the phone number field. After entering the number carefully, click on Next. Now, Google will send a verification code to that number. To receive the code, go back to the TrustOTP website where it shows waiting for SMS. After a few seconds, the Google verification SMS will appear. You can also click on View SMS to see the message directly. As you can see, we have successfully received the Google verification code without any problem. Now copy the verification code. Go back to the Google page and paste the code into the confirmation code field, then click on Next. And that's it. Your Google account has been created successfully. If you want, you can add a recovery email, but for now, I will simply skip this step. As you can see, the Google account is now ready to use. You can now use this account for Google Chat, YouTube, and other Google services. You can also use this Gmail account to register on many social applications that allow sign up through Gmail. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you face any issue, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.